Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Fruits are an essential part of a healthy diet, offering a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, for individuals at risk of diabetes or those managing the condition, the ripeness of fruits can significantly impact their blood sugar levels. Overripe fruits have higher sugar content and a higher glycemic index, which can lead to spikes in blood glucose levels. Here are 8 fruits you should avoid eating too ripe to prevent diabetes. 1. Bananas. Bananas are a popular fruit known for their potassium content. However, as bananas ripen, their starches convert into simple sugars, increasing their glycemic index. Green or slightly yellow bananas are a better option for those watching their blood sugar levels. 2. Mangoes. Mangoes are delicious and packed with vitamins A and C. When overripe, their sugar content significantly increases. Opt for mangoes that are just beginning to soften and have a slight give when pressed. However, these kinds of mangoes are more sour, and some people may not like the taste. 3. Grapes. Grapes are a convenient and tasty snack, but as they ripen, their natural sugars become more concentrated. Eating grapes that are firm rather than soft can help control sugar intake. 4. Pineapples. Pineapples are rich in bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties. However, overripe pineapples have a high glycemic load. Choose pineapples that are firm and golden, avoiding those that are overly soft or have a strong sweet smell. 5. Apples. Apples are known for their fiber content, particularly pectin, which aids digestion. Overripe apples have higher sugar levels and can lead to a rapid increase in blood glucose. Select apples that are firm and crisp. 6. Pears. Pears are a good source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. Overripe pears, however, have a higher fructose content. Eating pears that are slightly firm can help keep sugar consumption in check. 7. Papayas. Papayas are rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber. As they ripen, their natural sugars increase. It's best to eat papayas when they are still firm to the touch. 8. Peaches. Peaches are juicy and full of vitamins A and C. When they become overripe, their sugar levels spike. Opt for peaches that are firm and have a slight give when pressed. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.